Are you aiming to elevate your advertising strategy by smartly allocating your budget across both traditional and contemporary media channels? Interested in mastering the balance of cost, audience impact, and ad effectiveness seamlessly? Discover Analytic Solver, the powerful tool crafted to optimize these strategic decisions and propel your advertising success to new heights. Let's dive into how Analytic Solver can transform your media planning efforts within Excel using a practical, ready-to-use example which you can access immediately for free. This model guides a company to reach at least 1.5 million people through a well-balanced mix of traditional and contemporary advertising mediums, aiming to optimize budget allocation and maximize ad reach with remarkable efficiency. Variables specify the amounts to allocate for advertising across channels like TV, radio, newspapers, and digital platforms. Constraints define the limits for budget allocations, ensuring ad impressions stay within effective thresholds and the campaign reaches at least 1.5 million people. Simply click Optimize to see the results. Analytic Solver crafts an effective advertising media mix, enabling strategic ad distribution to minimize costs and maximize reach, all within the familiar confines of Excel. For further assistance and detailed explanations, click on AI Help or refer to our user guide. Start using Analytic Solver today to see how it makes complex media planning simple and effective, providing you with the tools to make informed, data-driven decisions that enhance your advertising strategy.